Hey everyone, this is how to remove the instrument cluster of the Seat Leon 2016. Step 1. Move the steering wheel down and to the rear as far as possible. Step 2. Pull the plastic cover from the left and then from the right. In addition, try to pry these plastic tabs from the top. Step 3. Separate the leather cover from the plastic cover. Step 4. Unscrew two T20 bolts that are shown in the pictures above. And finally, unclip and remove the electrical connector. Hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this.